Konsu is one of the largest providers of accounting outsourcing and IT consulting services in Russia, Kazakhstan and the CIS. We implement, integrate and maintain cloud-based business intelligence systems Yandex DataLens. BI solutions based on Yandex DataLens. Recommended for financial organizations, trade enterprises, manufacturing companies, marketing departments and agencies. Yandex BI allows you to visualize your company's metrics, revenue, sales, profit, average check, cash flow. Automate data collection, periodic reporting and real-time analytics. Configure interactive dashboards. Integrate the solution with various data sources, 1C, SAP, Navision and others. Access all data from anywhere in the world at any time. Avoid additional costs for software and infrastructure. The implementation of BI systems allows our clients to reduce the time required to prepare operational reports, improve data quality, increase data transparency, describe your existing data sources and desired BI analytics. We will assess your needs and offer the optimal solution for your company.